How to create campaign in Rapidworker.com. My balance is $7.66. Click My Campaign. Create new campaign. Select category. Now write quantity. For highlight campaign, select highlight tasks and color. Now write task title and explain, work or requirement. Campaign is ready to submit. Let's submit the campaign. Campaign is in review. After 2-3 minute campaign will start.
A few moments later.
Campaign is running. Here is our task. Campaign working successfully. You can manage campaign from here.